Welcome to Behind the Brain, where we explain why we do the things we do. Today's question: why do we get hiccups? You're sitting peacefully, and suddenly, hic, your body spasms. What just happened? It all starts with your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. When it contracts unexpectedly, it forces you to inhale quickly, and your vocal cords snap shut. That's the hic sound. But why does it spasm? Triggers include eating too fast, swallowing air, spicy foods, carbonated drinks, or even stress. Some scientists think hiccups may be an ancient reflex from when we were developing in the womb, or even further back in evolution, helping baby mammals learn to breathe and suckle. So next time you